Yeah, hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how we do weighted average and normal average in pivot tables. How we the difference between weighted average and normal average. You can watch the video on the top right corner, which I have already explained. So let's jump into the video. So click anywhere in the data, go to insert, then pivot, and then simply hit OK. So now I'll add agents in the rows and the time in minutes here. So simply click here and summarize the value as average. Once I do that, we'll get the average. This is the normal average. Okay, but we need weighted average. I'll show you why. I'll create the support. So if you know the difference between weighted and normal average, you will understand what I am doing. So you just have to multiply the uh, time in minutes into calls and just enter. Yep. Just click on the insert, pivot, and OK. So in this time, we can add agents directly, but for that, to calculate the weighted average, we have to do something else. Let me click outside. Now there is only options which you can see on the screen. But once I click inside the pivot, you will see pivot table analyze. In that, you have to go field and item and sets. Here you have to select calculate fields. You can give the name weighted average, and here you have to reverse that support divided by calls and hit enter. Now you'll get the weighted average of the data. So let me change into the numbers, and we'll take this to the other sheet to see what is the difference. So if I paste it here, so here is a clear difference. Why we use weighted average to calculate uh, the data. Here team average is 8 minutes, but here it is 8.61 minutes. You will feel it is very little bit, like it's 0.4 bips difference. But if we are working on the large scale organization, we are like 4,000, 5,000 associates are working, that 0.40 seconds create a huge difference in the volume delivery. So I hope you enjoyed and understood this. If you have any question, please comment down. I'll happy to explain. Thank you.